5 things I did to set myself up to close 50 plus homes my second year in real estate at the age of 25. First, it's gonna sound corny, but it's the core pillar, is that I believed I could and set my sights on it. If I didn't believe I could, I wouldn't have put in the work necessary to achieve it. And I'll tell you, it hasn't been easy. Second, I found myself a business coach early on in my career, and it's been over a year working together. I knew early on that I needed someone who could objectively look at me and my business, shed light on the path needed to take to achieve my goals, and hold me accountable to the plan. I didn't just get any business coach, but decided to commit to the best of the best. 3, I constantly surrounded myself with like-minded people who achieved more than I have, some 10 times over. When you surround yourself with people selling 100, 300, 500, or 3,000 homes a year, making 50 sounds so achievable. And it's amazing when you're a part of an ecosystem where those people share openly exactly what they have done to achieve that. 4th, I reverse engineered my goal into quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, and then hourly actions. I reorganized my entire schedule, both personal and professional, based on this plan, and took the time to break it into actionable items on a day-to-day basis. I made sure everything was in my calendar on the days I scheduled to work and focused on prioritizing the tasks that would move my business forward the most. 5th and final, I had the belief, I had the coach, I had the ecosystem, I had the plan, and now I needed to execute it. In order to speed the learning curve up, I needed to put in the hours, the time to educate myself, to make mistakes and learn from them. This did mean long nights, early mornings, and sometimes what felt like a lack of balance between personal and professional. But that sacrifice has allowed me to learn how to take action more effectively in the time in which I choose to work. At the end of the day, you can set yourself up for success, hire the best coach, believe in yourself, and have a plan. But if you don't put in the work necessary, you'll fall short of your goal.